satisfying. You're right. That's cool.
It sounds satisfying.
Wait lang. Ay, charot. Oh, dito it's stuck.
May dala nga ako kandila yung malaki, yung 1-year-old. Kay Paulsen yun dapat eh. Kay Pau Pau yun. Ay, kay Paulsen tama. Nakalimutan i-blow.
I like the chocolate part.
You eat it with the cake.
Kainin nyo na.
What is ice cream?
Yeah, ice cream and then brown.
I
The
can't.
only thing I like is ice cream.
It's good when you eat it together.
The cake?
Yeah, all together. Kasi it's hot. Huh?
Kaya natanggalin nyo na si We Love You. Bukas sa birthday niyan eh.
What was the birthday for?
Oo. Eh, may pasok eh.
Baka tomorrow online.
Online.